Oh yeah, that's one of them. It's one of them hit and miss M's, 1.5 horsepower. And we done got it on the assembly table there now. We get after it. But what we've been working on, I'll show to you. That's one of them. That's a modified engine right there. That's one of them McCormick Dairy M's. So, yeah. From here in Middle Tennessee. Geographical center of something. Shop Dog Sam. And we gotta tidy up a few ends here and there. Built the battery and buzz coil box, fuel tank. And I think we're going to build a single tree for the front and the footrest. But it's what I've been working on, you know. That one shot paint right there. That's what I've been working on this week. Yeah. Yeah. Hit and miss engine modified from a throttle governor on a hand-built, shop-built, built from imagination circus-wagon to act as transport for the power unit. Just saying. Oh yeah. I went on ahead and mounted up that there that fuel tank. I made a couple brackets, screwed it in. I think it'll be all right. Check valve system. I'm just saying. Ah yeah, another rainy day here in Middle Tennessee. Rabbit stopped by, and we made eye about the same time. You ain't moved yet. Seems a rabbit stopped by today. Now we made eye about the same time right there. That little rabbit ain't moved since. I'm here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center of something. Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all leave a comment, subscribe, pass it on to a friend. Kind of makes you wonder, how much patience do you have? How much patience do I have? Oh yeah, rainy afternoon. Well, it's about midday here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center of something. Now me and this little rabbit right here, and we made eye contact about the same time. And I'm gonna say about 30 minutes already went by and this rabbit ain't moved. So I got the camera out. It's one of them things. Who's gonna have the most patience? You, the rabbit, or me? How long we gonna observe this rabbit to see when it moves on? I've been busy over here on my side, getting stuff done, but took a pause here. I could stomp a foot or something, make some kind of loud noise, I suspect, and that rabbit would move on. But is it patience? Do you have enough patience to stick with me? How long is it going to be? Leave a comment. A couple seconds. Put on some background music. I suggest Ryan Bingham. Some road music at least. Slow blues. Some country something. Laid back. Air conditioning going on in the background there. I should be out cutting weeds, Need to have that weed eater running. I think in the almanac there, it's a few more days there before you're supposed to cut something that you don't want to grow back. So, yeah, I probably should title this video, Me, You, and the Rabbit. Me and this rabbit here made contact by eye, I'm gonna say 45 minutes ago. And that rabbit ain't moved up to now. And now it becomes patience. Oh, he moved his head then. Looking at me. It's a test of patience. The rabbit is, frozen in time there for whatever reason. Oh yeah. Calmness is set in. I say we located here in Middle Tennessee, geographical center of something. Oh yeah. And we'll clip them nails off right there after we drill them holes through that wood part. Paint them over on the back side, bottom on the center part there. I'm going to go with a single tree setup. One small horse, a small pony, miniature something. Your goat, whatever fits between here would be the motive pair for the unit. So I'm going to I'll probably bend up 3 rings there. One on each end and one in the center. Fix it to the wagon. The other option was a round bar right there. That's a mop handle right there. Would have been the other option. Turn each end down kind of a little bit to a taper, but I choose this. That's some white pine, I'm sure. Get some paint on it. Well, yeah, if you're taking measures out there about, let's say a working number of 12 inches, the piece of wood, being about 11 3/4, and then a couple of rings that go in each side right there, each end, and a ring will also be affixed in this front piece before being riveted together. Well, all I did, it's gonna be the brake on this thing, and all I did, that's some kind of pull handle off of Alice Chambers' tractor. I think you pulled it and it disconnected something, but I bent it around like that right there, and brazed it on that there collar, run it through that extra spacer of wood there to act as a bearing. And on this side right here, the way I did that, that's another one of them collars there, glued and screwed to the side piece, which gives you about 2 inches almost of that, I think, of bearing surface there. So it should last forever. That arm right there I bent, brazed on the bottom of that collar. That right there, that was a brand new one. I hated to cut that up. That was a brake arm for an old Ironhead Sportster. Man. But anyways, I cut it off, used the fork down there as to connect that rod going back to the rear brakes. So that's the way I did that. And them brakes right back there. I'll show you. You see them move? Okay, they'll go up there and lock up that wheel, see, securing it. So right there, that'd be at ease, easy access from the driver of the unit. Just saying. I'm here from Middle Tennessee. Shop Dog Sound.